Alright, it's the next day. Looks like all the bees are nice and busy collecting pollen. They're coming in with a lot of, look at that, loads of pollen, dropping it, there's so much. Alright, I got this hive about ready for them. I'll open the nuke and put them in there. These guys got a lot of brood going. These are all their babies. This one's booming. You can tell by the fresh white comb. And look at all the bees on the lid. This one's loaded with honey already. So I don't think I'll need to feed these guys. This whole frame's capped and packed, ready to go. Oh, there's the queen. You see the difference? Right there. There you have it. 4 nucs installed and bee boxes. A couple of them doing pretty good. I give them some sugar wire, give them a little boost. This guy's doing fantastic. He didn't need it. Hey, Prairie's back.